What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. No, this is not an update for the group build that I'm in. This Monte Carlo that just got rescued. I had a oops and I repaired it. Sitting here drying, waiting for a clear coat, and we'll move forward on that. This is my first time hosting a group build.
Yeah.
I'm making an announcement now that we're going to have a group build here at this channel. I hope you join in, and I'll hopefully explain the theme. A winter beater. We all live in different regions, have different tastes, funds, and time, but chances are you have a ride that you use every day. I never really understood seasonal cars until moving to Southern Oregon, and the need to have a winter beater, something to just drive so your nicer car doesn't wind up in a snowy ditch or something. Sure, I get it, maybe we can't all afford to have multiple rides or even store them, but if you did, what's your winter beater and what kit you choose? Explain sort of why, like I will with these coming up in a second, and an example of what is possible. So, you know, you've got whatever, $500-600, whatever, some small cash to go buy a beater, and grandma's got this for sale. And maybe it's not an Impala, not even the 409, it's just a small block Chevy crusty granny car, you know, or a kit that you have no idea what to do with. But you'd use it as a winter beater if it came up cheap enough, you know, for $400, needs a battery, bring a spare tire or whatever. You know, or maybe you're more well off and you don't want to drive your race car to the market, so you get yourself a similar one just to go grab soy milk and dry cleaning. You know, like this guy. This background is very similar to where there's an area down there in Salinas that if you live in that area, you probably have one of those in your garage that you take to Laguna Seca on the weekends just to play. Or, you know, you can go all in and, you know, make a tank or whatever if that's what you need or want to run errands in, you know, or maybe you've got one of these that you stole the goodies out of and you know, just make a slammer beater with a couple of oddball tires and whatever, winter beater. You know, it's something that it's not a show car, it's just a regular car, a winter daily, for, you know, the Mercedes as an example. Leaves it pretty wide open as to what you choose for this group build. So let's make it go until December 1st, and if everyone's done before then, we can close early, or you can always just share what you did manage to get done by then. By December 1st, that's our hard out, as we say in TV land. The intro video saying that you're in, what kit you're going with, and an idea as to why you've chosen it as a winter daily beater, you know, what's available. We would like to see updates, but it's not really a requirement. You know, at least one progress update, at least one. And tag as you go along and see fit. Maybe a change came out and gave you a cool idea, you know, sure, post a quick video and show us. It's pretty simple. Basically any kit, extra points if you can explain, you know, justify it as a winter beater. Maybe you live in Iceland or Hawaii. Tell us how you rationalize it. Mine, it's a truck, and it comes with snow boots, whatever. It's just something I had in my stash. You know, I got those just for examples for you guys, so you can see. You just grab anything and show us a winter beater. You know, not really show rig, not really beat up, doesn't have to be rusty, but just a car, a daily driver, you know, show us and explain it, and we'll have fun. So use the hashtag winterbeater23GB. Have fun. Oh yeah, there also will be prizes, depending on shipping region, not necessarily a deal breaker, but yeah, we're gonna have a little giveaway with this as well. So post them up, tag them, let's see what you got. That's it.